Right, hi guys. I'm Mike. I'm the EST for Customer Relationship Management for PD for the term 1819. So today, this video is a little bit to talk about HubSpot and email integration. This is one of the first steps that you need to take right after you get your HubSpot account. And yeah, so I'll just walk you through it on how to actually do it because it's essentially very simple. So it will help a lot in terms of how you're going to track your partners and so on. Let me show you an example. All right, so let's start. Let's begin. All right, so let's go to my tab here. Yep, okay. So essentially how you're going to do it is basically just Googling HubSpot extension. Okay, just Google this. Assuming you're using Chrome will be the best if you cannot use Chrome, certainly. I know it occupies a lot of your cage, but yeah, Chrome will be one of the best platforms to use for HubSpot extensions. So yeah, you can use this because it doesn't crash as often. So yeah, so all you need to do is actually go to this, Chrome Web Store, Google Chrome, and then simple as that, just click download here. So yeah, after you download, what will happen, this additional orange thing will pop up here. So basically, essentially, if you click it, it's going to come out like this. So it's going to tell you that it's actually integrated. So you can actually just do this like, open all your emails, who has opened, who has what, blah, blah, blah. So these are all a summary of your own activities. So it provides you a simple summary anytime without essentially opening anything. So let's go to your email. So what's the new thing in your emails? Okay, so let's look at this. Okay. All right. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna open a new email. So you can see here, there's quite a few features here after you integrate the HubSpot. So yeah, simple as this. So yeah, first of all, if you're gonna email someone, before you email this, you need to make sure it's actually in your contact list. So yeah, for example, I just make sure that this person is inside here before I actually made it here. Sometimes the system may be a bit slow, so refresh it a little bit and make sure that it's there so that it can be logged and tracked. So make sure that you take this log and track at the same time. So yeah, track basically tells you when the email is open. It can check your conversion time. Also, the email will be logged on the contact record with the same email address in your CRM. Basically, I'll show you an example. What does log really mean? So yeah, subject, blah, 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 email. And the fun thing is that you can create your own templates here, so you can download some templates, okay? So it's easier for you to actually construct your email, or you can create your own templates as well. So yeah, essentially that's it. Oh yeah, then you can see these two Q new buttons here. Why is it different? Click send. Why is it orange? Is because basically you log and track. Let's say if I untick both, it become blue again. Yep. So when you put log and track, basically all this information will go to HubSpot. That's what it means. Okay. And also another new feature that if you use HubSpot, is the same thing as a mail. I think mail click. I think something like that. You can use this. You can send the email in a later. So this is good because in the sense where you can actually work at night and send the email tomorrow morning. I wouldn't recommend to send the email at 9-10 p.m. If you do, it will not be very good because probably it will be ignored the next morning because there's a tendency. If anyone sends email, tendency is going to get ignored in the morning unless it's sent in the morning itself. So that'll be the best for you. So you can put tomorrow morning 8 a.m. example and make sure you put the right time zone. Okay. Yep. So essentially that's about it for this. And then also another cool feature that you can take note is this. Yeah. And let's say after you click this HubSpot, the add-on here, you can look for contacts all over here already. Not only contacts, you can look at a lot of other things. My contacts and stuff like that needs action. So it's basically your essential working space. It summarizes everything. So assuming your VP or team leader or whatever it is assigns you a certain action, needs follow-up, needs action, all the emails are all here. Everything is summarized for you. So it's actually just follow up, and everything will be updated in the HubSpot system itself. See how cool is that? Okay, remember I talked about log and track. So now I'm going to move on a little bit to the HubSpot itself. I'm going to show you a cool example. Okay, so this is Zainal from ASEAN to you. This is Manfun's the PD director of 1819 for MC team. He actually created this contact and he actually used the HubSpot system rather well, I would say. So you can see this. It actually tracks when they open, the dates and so on. So you can see this. Then you can track as well which is the best time to probably send this person an email. Sometimes it's a pattern, sometimes it's not. So far you can see the person prefers to open his email 1 to 3 p.m. So preferably you send the email around 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. then he'll open by 3 p.m. So it'll be best for you in that sense. So you can track when you need to send your emails to this particular person. Okay, cool. So you can see what happens if you log. You can see you can actually read all the everything, So for example, if I put this, hi blah blah blah, greetings from AIESEC Malaysia, you can read his reply as well. See, blah blah blah, can we meet up, when, blah blah blah. So yeah, essentially everything is tracked on HubSpot itself. And this is very, very important because in AIESEC we change year after year. And it's very important to keep all this database, all these emails, so that the future terms can refer to. So we know what happened with this partner in what year and like how can we move forward from it. Okay. So that's essentially about the extension of HubSpot. So essentially, like this is one of the first steps that you need to do to integrate HubSpot into your email because it helps you a lot more to track your partners and track what you need to do on a daily basis, much easier. So essentially that's about it. That's about it for how you can use HubSpot. So I think that's it from me for this email integration, and stay tuned for my next video to educate you a little bit more. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.